Where the Garifuna, who the Garifuna people are, where they come from, how they got here, all right, and how their lives are presently here, and how they've been impacted.
So this is the port. This is where the port was. So after the port moved, this place was sold, and then they used the ship, parts of the ship to decorate their hotel, and it also tells the history of what was once Livingston.
So you see the different things, the strip doors, the anchors, the buoy, the suitcases. Those are all the way from the old boats. So while we're walking, we'll also be introducing, we'll also be greeting local. Por favor, por favor.
Like the community is most popular, even wherever in Mexico, the Indians love it. It's called the punta. So punta is used for the celebration. All right, it's supposed to be used for celebration, and it's a moon visitor as well as punta.
Okay. What is this called and what is it used for?
Ruguma. So this is called ruguma. This is how we make we have a staple called cassava bread.
I know what cassava is. I love cassava.
So after we grate the cassava bread, we have to drain the water out of it. So this is how we drain the liquid out of it. So we can get the pure starch. So this is the artifact that we use for the bread.
Okay, thank you.
It's very important in the Garifuna
heritage.
Yes, heritage. Very important.
See, it's not clearly, but once it's clear, sometimes the cloud you can see.
Right.
That's behind us, the Honduras. So going that way, Belize, Punta Gorda, PG.
Right.
Just like Belize has the Port La Yola.
Right.
This is the Port of Barrios. Honduras is Port of Cortez. That's how it goes.
Yes? Yeah, when I come back, I'm gonna get some. Fill my bottle up. I'm getting this footage now. And this used to be the port before it was too small in the mouth. The water got shallow, so they weren't able to keep it the port. So they moved it to Puerto Barrio. And when they did that, that allowed more people to start coming in. Yes, the black people were the originals to the land. The Mayans lived here, but across the river. They weren't first here.
behind this hill over there, that's Honduras.